We've got a company now joining us. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders is the name I'm talking about. The stock's been in an absolute tear. It's up 35% in the last 1 month. It's up 75% in the last 6 months. In the latest news flow, the Indian Navy has launched the stealth frigate Targairi, built by Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders. This happened last Sunday. To discuss this, we have Mr. Sanjeev Singhal, Director of Finance at the company, join us to take some questions. Sir, thanks very much. Great to have you with us here, and congratulations from all of us. Could you?
Thank you. Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir. Could you tell us a little bit about your experience building this? How long did this take from a sort of award of order to delivery of the product? I mean, what was the life cycle like, and how does revenue booking for something like this work, and what have you booked as part of this?
Okay, this is a pretty long question. I would take it in steps. If I consider the current order book of Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, primarily we are executing 3 large naval orders. One is the P-75 Scorpion submarine, order for which was awarded to us in the year 2005. And 4 submarines have already been delivered. We are expecting to deliver the 5th submarine this year by December. And the 6th submarine at the end of 23 or maybe first quarter of 24. So this would give you a certain idea with respect to the timelines with respect to execution of project. Second project is the 15 Bravo 4 number of destroyers, which was awarded to MDL in 2011, against which the first delivery of the ship was made in October 21 last year. As far as the second ship delivery is concerned, we are awaiting the delivery. This could happen anytime this month or early next month. And 23 again one delivery, and 24 the last delivery. The third and the last order, which was awarded on MDL out of the current order book, this was in 2015. This is the stealth frigate 4 in numbers P-17 Alpha project. So the last delivery of this project is expected somewhere in middle of 26. And considering that the warranty period and defect liability period as well as the B&B spares, we expect the order closure by somewhere in 27-28.
So you're saying that currently you have 3 large orders. There are 2 more submarines by FY24 and a 5th submarine by December of this year. So I didn't understand, in FY23 and FY24, what is the kind of revenues that you're expecting to flow through from these orders?
As far as FY23 is concerned, 21-22 we have registered a revenue of 5733 crores from operations, and we expect a 15 to 20% increase. So that would be roughly around 6,500 to something around 7,000 in between figure for FY23. And going ahead for 24, we again expect a revenue increase by approximately 20%.
Okay. Between these destroyers, submarines, and frigates, what is the total unexecuted part of the order book? The value of this unexecuted order book?
Approximately 43,000 crores.
And all, okay, fair enough. And all of this to be delivered and by
last vessel, we are expecting to be delivered in 26-27.
26-27. Okay. And should we expect any acceleration in revenue booking in 24 or 25? Or, I mean, how does this usually work? Or this is going to be staggered, like what we've been seeing, 15-20% steady kind of growth?
We are looking at a steady growth of 15 to 20%. In between, certain hiccups may be there in a year or 2, but not too much of an aberration.
So 15 to 20% steady growth. You've also been looking for export orders. Any update on that? Any progress there?
Yeah, MDL has been exploring the export market, although I would not say that in a very big manner or a very encouraging response. We have been looking at various routes, including identification of the target countries, the GTG route as well as B2B route, taking the help of the Indian High Commissions and the embassies abroad and the foreign commissioners available in India. As far as one order with respect to part in situ repairs of a Russian ship, where MDL is required to chip in by supply of manpower and expertise. This is at an advanced stage of discussion. However, because of the Ukraine-Russia conflict, certain delays are there. So we continue to explore the export market, but I would not say that this is likely to be a very big chunk in near future.
Okay, so exports won't be a big chunk in the near future. Got that. You're sitting on good cash balance. You have over 11,000 crores of cash on the books. Any plans to return it back to shareholders, either in the form of a dividend payout or any large capex plans that you have?
I would like to clarify, as far as this total cash is concerned, this is the major component is the naval or the project cash. And as far as MDL cash component is concerned, this is roughly around 1,400 crores. With respect to this also, yes, we will be coming out with the dividend as per the government policies in this regard. We have been consistently paying dividend aligned to the government policies, so that will continue. With respect to the capex also, we have plans to spend around 200-250 crores this year, which will be primarily maintenance and administrative kind of a capex. In addition, certain large projects are being explored, including the in-house manufacturing of a floating dry dock and acquisition of certain infrastructure assets from MBPP, but they are at a fairly nascent stage of discussion. So I don't expect the expenditure to begin this year, but certainly next year we expect a significant capex.
Has there been, so just asking you this, I mean, has there been any notification from the Ministry of Defence with regards to emergency purchase of, equipment by the armed forces and, up to a certain level? I mean, I was reading up to 300 crores and, the forces are expected to buy locally. Has there been any notification to this effect?
And there is no direct notification as far as MDL is concerned. I am also aware of these from the media reports that certain emergency powers are being given to the armed forces. And probably there is a rider with respect to procurement from indigenous sources.